One of the most commonly asked questions from new traders is why do you trade only Nifty and Bank Nifty? There are so many opportunities available in F&O. There are more than 100 stocks available where you can trade. Then why do you trade only Nifty and Bank Nifty? That is what many traders ask me this question. So I decided I'll make a video on this and I'll explain 5 reasons why I trade only Nifty and Bank Nifty. When I was a new trader, I used to think that why people trade only Nifty, Bank Nifty. It's so boring. Trading in the same thing every day is boring, right? There are so many stocks available. Why they can't trade in other stocks? Why they are only trading in Nifty, Bank Nifty? So now I know the reality. What is the edge you will get when you trade same instruments every day? Okay, and I prefer Nifty and Bank Nifty every day. So now let me start with the first reason why I trade only Nifty and Bank Nifty. First reason is you should know the personality of the instrument you trade. Yes, that is correct. You should know the personality of the instrument whatever you are trading. It can be Nifty, it can be Bank Nifty, it can be some stocks, or it can be commodities like crude oil or anything. Okay, first you should know the personality of the instrument you trade if you want to have an edge in trading. Let me give you an example. You met a new person in your life. It can be your husband or it can be your wife. Okay, you just got married and it was an arranged marriage. When you got married, you know that initially you don't know the person, right? You don't know the personality of the person, you don't know his or her behavior, you don't know their nature, anything in initial days. But when you start spending time with that person, when you see that person day in and day out for many days, months or years, then you know the personality of that person. You know that how that person is, how that person behaves, under what circumstances, what is their nature, everything you will know once you know that person very well, right? Same thing in trading. If you trade same instruments day in and day out over the period of time, you will know the personality of that instrument. You will know how that instruments will behave, where it will reverse, where it will go up, where it will go down, what it will do next. All this you will know if you know the personality of the instrument you trade. As you spend more and more time with that same instrument, and you will know the personality, that is how it helps you in trading to take good trades. Every instrument have their personality of their own. It can be Nifty, Bank Nifty, or some stocks, or even the commodities like crude oil, gold, whatever you are trading. Every instrument is different. Every instrument has its own personality. If you want to get an edge in trading, my advice is keep trading same instruments every day. Let me give you another example. You know, in the medical profession, there are some doctors called specialists. For example, neurosurgeon. Neurosurgeon is specialized in nervous system, right? He is specialized in anything related to brain. So his focus is always on anything related to nervous system. For example, urologist totally focused on anything related to your urinary tract infection, anything related to kidney, and is focused on only that condition. For example, gastroenterologist is focusing only on anything related to your digestive tract. Like how specialists, they focus only on their specialty, same thing you should do. That's why doctors who are specialists are very successful, because they are specializing in only one thing and they know in and out of that specialization. Same thing in trading. So that is why if you want to become a good trader, then you should become a specialist in some instrument, not trading all the instruments you see. Oliver Velez is one of the successful day trader in today's time. He is a US based stock trader, and one of his YouTube videos he says that his favorite has been Apple stock. He has been trading for last 15 years almost every day. He says almost 95% of the time he trades only in Apple stock, because he says that since he is trading for last 15 years, it has become like his family members. He knows everything about the stock, how it behaves every day. That is the edge you will get when you trade in the same instrument day in and day out. And second thing why I trade only Nifty, Bank Nifty, the reason is liquidity is good in Nifty, Bank Nifty. If you don't know what is liquidity, that means when liquidity is good in some instrument, slippage will be very less. If you don't know what I mean by slippage, it is like that. Suppose you trade in XYZ stocks and you see that XYZ stock is trading at 200 rupees. You went and placed market order because it is trading at 200 rupees, and when that order got executed, you have seen that the order got filled at 205 rupees. You placed order at 200 but it got filled at 205 and you thought you will buy at 200 rupees but you are paying 5 rupees more. It is 5 rupees loss for you because you bought at higher price. So that happens because of the lack of liquidity. That is known as slippage. That is what known as slippage in trading. Okay. So that happens especially when you are trading options and everything, if that instrument doesn't have good liquidity. But that problem is very less when you trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, I am not saying it doesn't happen in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Slippage will be there everywhere, but it will be very small slippage when you trade in Nifty Bank Nifty. So that is the second reason why I prefer Nifty and Bank Nifty, because of the good liquidity. And anytime if I want to square off, I can square off immediately and it gets executed. That means most of the time you will see equal number of buyers and sellers and your order get filled immediately. So slippage will be very less. And now third thing why I prefer only Nifty Bank Nifty, because I don't need any scanners. If you are trading in stocks, you know that you need scanners to scan the stocks which you want to trade next day, right? There are hundreds of stocks available and it takes lot of time scanning the stocks and then monitoring those stocks next day during the live market. Very difficult to keep monitor in the live market. You always know that in live market everyone's emotion is different, because live market your money is on the line and emotions are different in the live market compared to after market hours. So that is why in the live market when you have so many stocks, you are likely to get confused, you are likely to get panic, you don't know what to do, which stock to buy, which stock to sell, and you end up confusing yourself. That is why I trade in Nifty Bank Nifty, because I don't need any scanners for Nifty and Bank Nifty. My total focus goes only looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty. I don't need scanners for just two instruments. That is the advantage I'll get when I focus only on Nifty Bank Nifty, or I don't have to keep looking at hundreds of stocks in a single day. Okay, so that is the third reason why I prefer Nifty and Bank Nifty compared to stocks. And now I'll give you the fourth reason. Because in the stocks anything can happen. Stocks can go up by 50-60% in a single day, or stocks can crash by 50-60% in a single day. That can happen with stocks, but it doesn't happen in indices, because indices, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, have circuits. That means if there is a particular percentage it reached, then there is something called circuit in Nifty and Bank Nifty. It can be upside or downside and market gets halted. When you trade in Nifty Bank Nifty, you can say you have a safety net because it has a circuit. But assume that you traded in one stocks and you went long by buying the future, and unfortunately that stocks crashed by 50% in a single day and you are not able to square off your order. If you don't have stop loss or you are not able to square off the position, can you imagine the loss, how much loss you are going to get? That is why sometimes trading stocks can be very risky because of no circuits in some stocks, and trading in indices have circuits. Okay, so that is the reason I prefer Nifty and Bank Nifty only. And the fifth and last reason why I trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty only, because most of the stocks follows overall market. What does that mean? Sometimes you will see that Nifty and Bank Nifty going up, it's going in a trend, it's going in an uptrend, and you see that many stocks following it. Okay, or sometimes Nifty and Bank Nifty going down and you see that stocks also going down. So that is what known as, most of the time stocks follows overall trend of the market. So that means stocks follows indices movement until and unless there is some news in that stock. Otherwise most of the times you will see stocks follows Nifty Bank Nifty. What you can do is go to previous day chart and pull out your Nifty or Bank Nifty chart, keep it aside and look at the stocks, maybe your favorite stocks, and compare both the movement. And most of the time you must have seen Nifty gone like that and reversed, and your stock also going like that and reverses. So that's why I thought, when stocks follows overall market, then why should I go and trade in stocks? Why not trade directly in indices? So that is why I decided I will trade directly in Nifty and Bank Nifty instead of depending on stocks. Having said that, I'm not saying that I don't believe in stocks, nothing like that. I am working on some system for swing trading. I have not yet started, but I am working on that system. Day trading I do only with Nifty Bank Nifty. Swing trading I want to do with stocks. So I am working on it. But whatever I said till now, it is specially for day traders. And these are the 5 reasons which I have explained. Professional trades in the same instruments day in and day out, and novice traders trades in different instruments every day, and he end up nowhere. If you are on Facebook or if you are on Twitter, you must be following many successful traders, right? In India also there are many successful day traders. Go to the timeline and just see what they trade, and you can see that almost 90% of successful senior professional traders, they trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty most of the time compared to stocks. And even I am not different. Even I trade in Nifty Bank Nifty only. Okay, so these are the 5 reasons which I wanted to share it with you all, that why I trade in Nifty Bank Nifty. And in my computer you can see that I have a folder which have more than 500 charts. That means I have charts collection since July 2018. Now we are in April 2020. Till last month I have Nifty Bank Nifty charts every day saved in a separate folder. You can look at here. Every day I have day wise. Every day, every month I have a chart saved on my computer. And that is how I try to analyze the personality of the instruments I trade. So you see, only Nifty Bank Nifty charts. I don't have any charts of any stocks. And this is the folder which I share it with my webinar students, provided my webinar students send me separate mail and they request for historical charts, and then I share my historical charts with my webinar students if they want to do back testing on it. If you want to become a professional trader, if you are serious about trading, then you should put same kind of effort and keep watching the personality of the instruments. Try to analyze the charts regularly. That is how you will get edge in trading. Finally, I am not saying that you should trade only Nifty Bank Nifty just like me. I am not saying that. What I am saying is that even if you trade in stocks or commodities like crude oil, gold, whatever it is, focus only on that instrument. Don't keep jumping from new stocks each and every day. So that's what I wanted to share it with you all on today's video, why I trade only Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you are interested to learn day trading, if you are interested to know how to trade in Nifty Bank Nifty, if you want to learn my 15 day trading patterns and strategies, you can join my webinar which I conduct regularly on weekends, and you can check the webinar link below this video in the description section. You can click the link and go through the contents, FAQ and disclaimer, and if you are interested, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email. Okay guys, so I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, then hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon again with a new video. Thanks and good luck.